Hello everybody! Today's session is on present simple and present continuous. Koha e tashme dhe koha e tashme e vazhduar. Koha e tashme është për diçka që është një zakon apo diçka që është e vërtetë, ndërsa koha e tashme e vazhduar është për diçka që ndodh në momentin që ne flasim ose rreth momentit që flasim. So here we have a postcard. We are in Greece. The hotel is beautiful. So the verbs are directly after the subject. So we have are, is, and for 30 seconds, think about the rest of the verbs. Remember, the verbs are after the subject. All right? The sun is shining. I am sitting, so am sitting. Jack is swimming, are playing, we love, so love, are you all working hard, so are. So some of the verbs are in present simple, some are in present tense. Present simple, we use it for something which is basically regular and is true. Për shembull, unë jam nga Shqipëria. Kështu që kjo është një gjë që nuk ndryshon domethënë, është present simple. Apo unë jam e martuar. I am married, so this doesn't change. She travels to work by bus, doesn't change, that's how she travels. Continuous, we talk about temporary situation, diçka të ndryshueshme. For example, she is staying in a hotel in Greece. Ajo është tani në një hotel në Greqi, po normalisht nuk është në hotel, është në shtëpi të vet. Action, for example, action now. Right now, she isn't working, she's on holiday. So she's in Greece and she's not working. For example, right now, I am teaching or I am making a video. Unë jam duke bërë një video. State verbs are verbs which do not take continuous form. Këto i quhen foljet statike, nuk janë folje veprimesh. Për shembull, folja me dash, me pëlqy, me dëshiru, me urry, me qenë, të gjitha janë folje që nuk marrin continuous form. If we have a consonant plus vowel plus consonant, we have double consonant. So sit, sitting, swim, swimming. If we have a vowel which finishes with Y, then we have a consonant vowel plus Y. We have staying, so we have ing, stay remains as it is, and ing, play, playing. Key verbs with present continuous or present simple: boil, mezi, cycle, me rrotullu, do your homework, të bësh detyrat, drive, të japësh makinës, eat, të hash, freeze, të ngrish or ngrir, hate, të urresh, learn, të mësosh, like, pëlqej, live, jetoj, love, dua, dashuroj, make friends, të bësh miq, play, të luash, sit, ulu, smoke, picigare, start, fillo, stay, qëndro, study, mëso, swim, noto, take the train, të marrësh trenin, të shkosh diku me tren, turn off, të fikësh, want, duash, watch TV, shikosh televizor, work hard, punosh shumë, write to somebody, të shkruash dikujt, write to somebody. Here we have present simple, present continuous. Për një moment, so for 30 seconds, think about the answers. Remember, present simple is not now, is general, is true, it's a fact. So, koha e tashme e thjesht është për diçka që është fakt. Nuk është një gjë që po ndodh tani. Koha e tashme e vazhdueshme po ndodh tani. So present continuous is happening now. 30 seconds, think about answers. All right, time's up. So these are the answers to the question. Helen works in the hospital from Monday to from Monday to Friday. So this is true. She's not working at the moment. Not working at the moment. That means right now. It's Saturday and she's reading a book in the garden. So right now. She usually cycles to work. Usually is an adverb of frequency and is used with present simple. Usually, generally, always, present simple. Always with present simple. Today means now. She's not cycling to work because it is raining. She's driving her car to the hospital. So today, driving. So it's something that is happening today. All right, and this is another exercise where we have 7 sentences, and you need to again think about the answers. Again, 30 seconds. If it's now, continuous. Always, usually, present simple. Okay, these are the answers. I hope your answers were the same. Okay, so tigers live in India. Usually I drive to the office, but this week I'm taking the train. Oh no, it's raining, which means now. No, I don't smoke. Do you like opera? Yes, I do. What are you doing? I'm writing to my parents. Is the tea ready? Almost. The water. So this is the homework. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Take good care of yourself and stay safe. Do the homework and we'll check it together next time. Bye bye.